how to make money. We'd like to introduce our partnership program, which offers 4 different types of bonuses with market and payouts up to 81% of the total turnover. The first and second types of bonuses are direct and team bonuses. You can get them from 15 linear levels in depth, which include dynamic compression. Team bonus allows our particular active participants of our partnership program to gain long-term benefits from their work by selling the products, inviting active users to join their teams, offering the potential to earn hundreds of thousands of euros per month. The third bonus type is our rank bonus, which is paid out for each new rank and can reach up to 7,600,000 euros. There are 15 exclusive ranks in the system. With gaining all the ranks, totally you can earn up to 10 million euros. The fourth and most significant bonus is Infinity Bonus. It's available to all partners with Diamond rank and above, and in addition to direct and team bonuses, it offers up to 23% from the entire depth and width of the structure for all partner purchases. Infinity Bonus depends on the current rank of a Diamond. The higher the rank, the higher the earnings. When inviting others to join the business, all partners earn money from their own work as well as the achievements of all their team members. You can enter the business quickly and without significant expenses by just registering in the system. From this moment, you will start getting a bonus of 30% for each personal recommendation. With successful monthly recommendations in your circle, you'll receive a 30% direct bonus each time. Can you build a business by starting with the smallest product? Of course, although this option is better for people who would like to find out how everything works, testing out our products, and slowly developing in the business. For people who are serious about starting a business and achieving rapid growth, their purchase should be at least 1,100 euros or more. Remember that your team will repeat exactly what you're doing. If your purchase is from 1,100 euros and above, then most of your team members will also buy products from 1,100 euros and above. Basically, to activate a business, you can register and start completely free of charge. But in this case, you will have to work really hard, as practice shows that the invited partners will choose the same starter product as you. It's important to invite new partners at any level without any restrictions. For those who decided to build a big business right away, it's worth purchasing the largest and most profitable product. At the same time, any product purchase will be paid off over time in the form of minted coins. Whichever entry you choose, make sure to consult with your mentor. They will help you get it right. By entering the business, you will become part of the team of the person who invited you. You'll get access to company training, the opportunity to participate in events, grow your career, and receive substantial leadership payouts. This is a completely different level of money. You'll be able to travel around the world with your team. Joining is just the beginning. After that, everything depends on you, your goals, and what you are prepared to do to make them come true. The most important goal is to get started and reach Diamond rank. Diamond rank will open the door to super profits for you. On the path to becoming a Diamond, you will consistently cover 5 areas as a partner. First, you use the product. Second, you tell people about your results, recommending the product in your circle and beyond. Third, you invite people into the business and build your own team. Fourth, you teach your team members to do what you're already doing. Inviting and training others. You reach Diamond rank and enjoy your life with respect, recognition, and impressive additional income. You feel good about the opportunities you have to offer others. This is the secret. If you need guidance on entering the business, consult your mentor. Discover the limitless earning possibilities and choose what's right for you.